everybody? I'm here today to talk to you about 7 things that I love about my Wahl hair trimming kit. That's right, 7 things that I love about my new Wahl hair trimming kit. The specific kit that I got is the Wahl Deluxe Complete Hair Cutting and Trimming Kit, and it's absolutely awesome. I got it for 50 bucks Canadian, and it is incredible in so many ways. I'm gonna give it to my dad as a gift. So with that being said, I'm gonna tell you 7 things that I love about it. So first and foremost, number 1, and I'm gonna go through these quickly, so stay tuned. And the last one is probably the coolest thing with regards to how I appreciate it. So stay tuned till the end. But number 1 is it comes with everything that you need. So in addition to the actual clippers, I'm gonna open this up and show you a quick idea. It literally comes with everything that you need. Inside of here, you get all the trimmers, all the guards, all the combs, all the maintenance stuff, everything that you need literally comes with this kit. It's awesome. Number 2, you get corded and cordless trimmers. The main set of clippers are corded, but the 2 additional trimmers that you get are cordless. So you get the best of both worlds. You get a cordless precision trimmer right here, very simple, that I'm gonna turn on and off, and then a cordless, this is a detailed trimmer, this is a precision trimmer. Same idea, but used for different things. This is like for your eyebrows, your ears, your nose, blah, blah, blah. And this is for just like shaving a nice line up on your face, or maybe a line up around your neck. It comes with everything that you need. Was number 1, and number 2, it comes with corded and cordless trimmers. You get everything, literally everything that you need. Number 3, it will pay itself off in a couple of haircuts. That's right. So literally, if you use this and you don't go to a barber, it'll pay itself off in a few haircuts. If you're paying 25 bucks a haircut Canadian, let's say in 2 haircuts, it's paid itself off, and everything after that is gravy. Everything after that is a bonus. That's number 3. It's a good investment. Number 4, brand reputability. You get the Wahl brand, which is so reputable when it comes to hair cutting supplies and hair trimming tools and body grooming tools. Wahl is like top notch. So you get the brand reputability. You know it's going to last a long time. Number 5, very powerful clippers / trimmers for thicker hair. So these clippers are actually really powerful, especially when you turn up the power screw. They get really, really powerful. So if you have thicker hair and you're afraid that it's not going to be able to handle the thicker hair, I'm telling you, it likely will. It depends on how thick your hair is, but for the most part, these things can just cut through any thickness of hair. A regular sort of thickness of hair definitely can handle it. So very powerful clippers for thicker hair. Number 6, unbelievably easy to use. This came with instructions, but literally it's straightforward. I mean, for the most part, as long as you know what this taper lever does and this power screw does over here, really, at the end of the day, you plug them in and you turn them on and you can use them. If you know how to attach a guard on top, you can pretty much cut hair. It's just a matter of stylistic and designing a hairstyle at that point. But in order to use them, super small learning curve. Last but not least is number 7, which is probably my favorite thing, surprisingly, which is it comes with a carrying case to hold everything. So this carrying case right here allows you to hold everything in one case. I am not a fan of getting products that I just have to leave in a drawer. I will make carrying cases for products. So if I get a product that there's no carrying case for, I will go and get a pouch to put it in so that I can keep everything contained and organized in a drawer. This comes with a carrying case, so I literally can take this, put it in my drawer. Like I said, I'm gonna give it to my dad as a gift, so he can take this, and he keeps his trimmer in the basement bathroom. He can put it in the basement bathroom cupboard, so it's stored away nicely. And that's it. Those are the 7 top things that I love about my Wahl hair trimming kit. There are many things that I like about it, but those are the top ones for sure. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.